Sometimes, what motivates us tremendously always are things to the details. Such as sunshine on desks, such as blueprint drawn by pencil, or just a tiny bolt. Devoting temperatures of our soul to materials through fingertips brings lives to each part. Strive for excellence. Attend to details. Concentration makes us outstanding. XIZI Elevator. In XIZI Elevator, Technology R&D Center, Production Control Center, Quality Inspection Center unites together. Technology R&D Center collaborates with Shanghai Jiao Tong University, Zhejiang University, and Tsinghua University to establish a national-level lab. Relying on global leading technology, actively promotes our own core technology. In XIZI World-Class Intelligent Factory, introducing Industry 4.0 conception, forges international first-class autonomous production line, unmanned production, manufacturing process, sheet metal machinery accuracy less than 0.3 milliliters. High efficiency workflow guarantees production cycle. XIZI Elevator is one of the few elevator companies in industry who can manufacture a whole set of key components. It has the largest domestic parts manufacturing platform. Interaction machine production line, casting, magnetic steel, coiling, braking devices are all manufactured by ourselves. Take magnetic steel for example, all are completed by XIZI from raw material. For the controller, get hold of key technology. Independent R&D manufacture starts from main board. Assembling, interactive testing, all done by our factory. Original factory, original brand ensures not only compatibility, but also convenient after-sales maintenance. XIZI cast conception of sustainability into each part. National Level Testing Center is approved by China authority CNAS. Here, XIZI elevator parts experience millions of tests. Temperatures as high as 190 degrees centigrade or as low as 60 degrees centigrade, dust-proof, waterproof, impact, fatigue tests, etc. 24 hours continuously cycled tests on elevator parts, only to ensure safety. About the maintenance service, XIZI Elevator implements precautionary maintenance, providing a 24-hour service line, remote monitoring system, elevating maintenance information management system, zero-distance tracking and inspecting elevator service condition. Should the elevator fail, ensure arriving at site within 30 minutes. Concentration. Be responsible for quality safety. Be responsible for life security. Be responsible for environmental safety is a demand to our elevator quality and also a promise to every client. It's a running era. We dare to innovate. We dare to explore. Make every production a masterpiece. Only for your tomorrow's comfort. Intelligent manufacturing with the spirit of the craftsman. XIZI Elevator.